Hi everyone, this is a quick guide on how to install FillFaster app into Monday.com account. So we start by clicking Add to Monday to be directed to the installation page. We can choose which workspace we want. For now, let's go with the default, then click on Install button. Now the app is already installed in our Monday.com account. When you finish installing the app, you can go back to your board. Once you're in your board, click on Automate. You'll be directed to the Templates page. Type FillFaster in the search bar and our app will appear. Then click on it. When you click on Use Templates, a login page will appear. Just log in to proceed. After logging in, you'll be in the permission page. Click on Allow button to get your FillFaster API token. After that, the app will send you back to your Monday.com board and the template editor will pop up. Now this is the template for the receipt, and we will go over each of the fields to set it up. First, we choose which status is the trigger for creating a submission link. Choose what status will trigger it. Then on FillFaster's form, you'll see all your forms from your FillFaster account. You have to set up your forms in advance. These are all the template forms. So if you don't have them yet, we have a guide for that to help you create. After choosing the form, go over the form fields and click. The fields will come automatically as you set them before. Here you can map the fields. Choose which one you need. This data is coming from the item from the board. Then we can choose where to save the submission link and what status should be updated to. When you're finished, click Add to Board. Now you can see your automations set on your board automations. And now you're all set. Let's try it and test this automation. As we set up, we only have to change the status to working on it, and the submission link will be created. It will only take seconds. Now you can see the submission link here and the status has changed. Let's check if everything is there. Copy the link so we can share to everyone. Now let's see if all the information is here. We open the link. As you can see, all the information is here automatically, and the recipient will only have to sign. And it's done. Thank you and see you on the next guide.